All right, so I have something that I discovered today that I wanted to share with you guys in Koala that I think is pretty amazing. So, in addition to all of the really amazing things that you can already do in this app, one of the things that I wanted to kind of learn better was if I have a sample like this. So, I have this loop. This is a song that I made. And you, of course, have the FX button here that you can record with these sound effects, which to me are mostly used for like live recording type thing. But I rarely use these to live record. I rather record the original, version and then maybe do the resampling function. But that workflow doesn't really work for me too well. And furthermore, a lot of these microphone effects are, I don't like them too much. Like in terms of, what they do to the actual sample, they don't really do much for me personally, except maybe for reverb. Maybe I'm not using it correctly. But performance, on the other hand, like there's many times when I have samples or when I have, samples that I want to use some of these effects and have that recorded onto a pad in itself. So what I discovered is that you can do that very easily. So say for example, if I had this playing and I go, let's hold it for a second. So I can press and hold, and then I'll go to performance, and then I'll make a version of this sample using the performance effects to my liking. So let's see. So say if I like that, I believe what I can do now is I can go into mic, I can press and hold the pad, and then I can hold what was just playing, and it'll record those performance effects onto the new pad. Let's see. And then done, and then let's get rid of those. And then if I press this, so that is pretty, even though this is not the best example because I wouldn't use that, but you can do that, right? You can do that. And another cool thing is when you're in performance mode, so when you're holding and you're holding one of those configurations and you go back to sample, it'll keep that playing until you let go of your finger. So I'll do it again for you to show you. And I think that even works. Let me see. I think that even works without hold. So I think if I press and hold this, so I'm pressing and holding with both fingers. But play around with that a little bit. I think it's pretty dope that you can do that and you can kind of turn your examples into just better things, right? And just kind of just have fun with it. So enjoy. Hope this helped some of you guys out. And let me know in the comments if you guys knew this already or if this is new information because I didn't know it. I use the app all the time, but I didn't know that you can do that. And that's one of the many reasons why I think this app is quite incredible. Have a great rest of the day, and I will catch you guys next time. And this time, I'm actually not going to remind you guys to subscribe to the channel. Wink, wink.